Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Wanted to share with you guys a tool that I think that every DIYer should have, and wanted to show you how to use it. It is a laser distance finder. This one here just happens to be from Stabila, but there's a number of different brands out there, but they're super handy. Depending on your situation, a regular tape measure may not work out for you. So something like this may be super handy and get you out of a tight spot. But just wanted to share how they work because there's multiple functions on it that are really handy. So all of them measure from the end of the unit here. So from there to whatever your target is what it will register on the display. But I've got a board here that we will measure to, and I'll just show you how it works. This one here is a green button that resets it. And you can see it's registering 0, but it uses a laser that you can see there on the board. We hit the button and it says 1 foot, 10 inches, and 1/8. So it is measuring again from the back of the unit to that board, and it measures all the way down to the 1/16 of an inch. So it is very accurate and very touchy as far as how detailed it goes. But another neat feature that most of them have, if we hit this function button, is it will find the area. So obviously the area of a space is the length times the width. So what you can do is it's set up where it's going to say, hey, give me this distance right here. So we'll just act like this is a room. We hit that. And now it's telling us to get that other length. We can hit it again. And then it says, okay, well, based off of that, it's 3.77 square feet. So again, perfect if you're measuring out a room or some sort of space to find out exactly what the distance is or the area is. It is super handy. So another function that it has, we'll clear it out here, is it will find volume. So you can see it's got a cube here, and it's going to give us the different distances to measure. Again, we'll just do this as a test. So we're going to put it on volume. We hit the button. It's going to give us that measurement. It's telling us to do this side. Again, we're just testing here. It's going to give me another one to give. All right, and it says, okay, my volume for what I just went through is 8.16 volume. So if anyone knows what a volume is essentially if you had a cube like this example was giving, if you filled all of that up, that is the volume of the space. So cubic feet, 8.16 cubic feet is what that works out to be. But super, super handy. Like I said, you can use multiple type of scenarios for this. This particular one, you see a Bluetooth button. This one will connect to your phone, and it will push over the measurements that you capture over to your phone, so that you can have them if you're, say, going to go back to a cut station, or you need to cut some different boards or something like that. Very compact size. This one here uses 2 AAAs. I've had these AAAs in here forever, and it has not failed yet, and I've had this one for several years and use it very often. But that's it. Really easy tool to use. Something that any new DIYer should not be afraid of, but something that they should certainly add to their tool bag. I'll leave a link down below to several that may be good options for you to pick up if you want to check them out. It doesn't have to be a Stabila. I know that Bosch and a number of other manufacturers make them, but they're really handy, very compact, easy to use. But let me know in the comments below if you guys have used one, or if you have a favorite one that you maybe want to recommend to new DIYers. And until next time, guys, I hope to see you in the shop.